How to change your currency on Fiverr. Are you guys facing issue to change your currency on Fiverr application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into it. First of all, open Fiverr application on your mobile devices. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in into your account, now look at the right bottom of the screen where you will be able to see your profile icon. Click on it. After you click on it, click on Preferences. You'll be able to see the options like language, appearance, and currency. Click on Currency. Once you click on it, you can see multiple currencies over here. Select the currency according to preference. If you want to change it to Australian dollar, select Australian dollar. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to change your currency on Fiverr application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.